From humankind's earliest travels, people have followed and sought out the spice routes. These maritime trading trails acted as the central nervous system of the world, enabling the flow of goods and ideas. In this richly illustrated volume, Eleanor Ford uses recipes as maps as she takes readers on a culinary journey that weaves through history and around the world. She explores both the flavor profiles and the spread of spices, from cardamom to cinnamon, ginger to sumac, and provides fascinating insights such as how nutmeg unites the spice blends Indian garam masala, Lebanese 7-spice, French quatre épices, Moroccan ras el hanout, and Middle Eastern baharat, lending its bittersweet, fragrant warmth to them all. This unparalleled volume provides 80 flavorful recipes for entrees, appetizers, sides dishes, and more, enabling you to make a divine garlic clove vegetable curry, jasmine tea smoked chicken, Indonesian seafood gulai, as well as staple spice pastes and mixtures to have on hand. Find the link below and buy the book now.